It's your favorite NPC, and today I will help you with your colors using Photoshop. You will learn how you can target something on an image and change its color specifically without modifying the rest. So let's get started, guys. Let me show you the fastest way to change the color of something in Photoshop. Imagine we are having this image right here, and we only want to change this purple clothing right here to maybe red, maybe yellow, so that is up to you. And in order to do so, we are going to use a new adjustment layer, and that one has the name Hue Saturation right here. And now we can take the hand tool and only select the color that we want to adjust later on. So I'm going to select pink right here, and you can see right here we are having our selected colors. So currently our selected colors are in the blue-purple range, I would say. If I'm now going to change the hue, you can see that it somehow selected our color, like so. But it is probably not a perfect selection, as you can see, because it doesn't really select our highlights as well. So now I can also click this plus symbol that allows us to select the color range. I'm going to reset this to 0 again. And now let's take a look at this part right here. Once I click the shadows, like so, you see that this here moves. So adding more and more colors adjusts the range to which we apply the effect later on. Maybe also this one. Let's just try to get pretty much everything. Like so. And now I'm going to move the hue right here. And you can see we pretty much have a perfect selection of our clothing. So now I can get a green clothing. I can also get blue. I could get yellow. How could I get yellow? I have to go to the yellow hue. But by default, when having yellow, something like this, you also need to increase the saturation to make it really look or appear yellow. And sometimes also the lightness as well, something like this. So if you really want it to look yellowish, you also have to adjust saturation and lightness pretty often. For most of the other colors, it also works without touching saturation and lightness, as you can see right here. So blue looks perfectly fine without ever touching it, or green, and so on. From time to time, this selection tool here can also fail. So let me delete this entire thing right here. And if you have an image where this selection does not work, so where selecting the color does not work properly, then I would always recommend you to create a layer mask. So to somehow create a selection like this, and like this. And now we can just create a layer mask by using a brush. Let's select the layer mask. Let's have a black color. And let's just make everything black right here on the layer mask. You cannot see anything because we're drawing on the layer mask. But now you see that our entire selection should now be black on the layer mask. So our effect, the hue saturation effect, will only apply to everything but the layer mask currently. So we need to invert it by pressing Ctrl I. This will invert the layer mask and now only affect our hoodie essentially. And now we have the exact same effect, as you can see right here. And it's as simple as that to change the color of something inside of Photoshop.